Let's get out of here.
I'm going to Anderson's house. It's night. It's almost 10 p.m. Doris Anderson, if at 10 p.m. we have to sleep, and I have to wake at 7:45 a.m. and shower, we have turns.
Right, we have a sleep.
Come to water. Wait a minute. What is this black thing? Is this motor oil? I have no idea where they came from. Let's go to my water system.
Episode 4, Season 2, Classic Caillou Replaces Water to Motor Oil in Shower/Grounded. This video was requested by Exogf. And Exogf, if you're watching this, I will give you a shout out. I'm thinking about this show. This is favorite. I'm just Showtime, Squid Game 3. Let me eat my cookies. You still have floating heads? This Plotagon bug is breaking? I'm going to replace water with a motor oil. That terrible idea. You will break people's money. I will not care this talk, Mr. Caillou. Okay.
Guess what? So classic Caillou.
Roughly day, tons of work, it's like a Chinese entrance exam, called Jiao Cao.
I will agree.
Let's go to freedom of cars. I'm a king of the Anderson's car. Hey Google, drive me a motor shop.
So the nearest motor shop is 3.2 miles via Arista Drive. Start for Creek Drive, then to right to Squid Game Boulevard.
So we stole Anderson's car. Let's go to motor shop.
Hello, welcome to Motor Shop. How you can help?
I need a motor oil.
Right, it's $3. Thank you.
20 minutes later.
So my home has a shower water system. So a water system, more like oil party time. Think about that. Have oil in neighborhood. People will scared like a cat. Let's get out of here.
I'm going to Anderson's house. It's night. It's almost 10 p.m. Doris Anderson, if at 10 p.m. we have to sleep, and I have to wake at 7:45 a.m. and shower, we have turns.
Right, we have a sleep.
The next day.
The shower is coming. I'm not fear of showers. Come on. Turn on the shower. Come to water. Wait a minute. What is this black thing? Is this motor oil? I have no idea where they came from. Let's go to my water system. Let's open the storage space. Wait! It's a motor oil. I need the cops to check the fingerprint. Then he will do DNA test. First of all, I have to the oils.
The plan is working. I believe that this is why Boris always ground me for dumb reasons.
911, what the emergency? I have a very big problem with my water system, because someone replaces my water to motor oil. Can you take the DNA test to done it? Sure, the police in our way, sir. Thank you!
Oh no! The cops are called by Boris.
So what happened? I need to look at done it. Okay, after that, I will arrest someone from Anytown, USA because of Omegle guy has charged of hacking and child abuse online. Stop crying like a baby and listen to me. I don't want to see you on Omegle again. If I happen to come across you just one more time, I'll come right back and make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. tell your dad about what happened. I'm out of here. Desktop. The operating system is out of date, and your goddamn name is Classic Caillou Anderson.
Did you just say my dad's computer and called my full name?
Yes, I said it. And your IP address. Ah, here we go. It wasn't hard to find. It's 123 Maple Street, Anytown, USA. Maple Street? That's a nice looking house. I see it, Grandma Witch. Ever. See you at your doorstep. Are you kidding me? Child abuse. Who beats him? I found the victims. Is Classic Caillou Anderson. He done second time. He will sentencing 10 years in Gator Island prison. Is the guy who child abused Classic Caillou Anderson. Yes.
Later.
So the DNA is Classic Caillou Anderson. I will find the guy. Right.
Later.
Dad, are you upset about someone?
I upset Rick wants to replace water with motor. Classic Caillou. Shut up! Classic Caillou. How freaking dare you replace water with goddamn motor oil? If you found this, he's so freaking mega super duper grounded, muchy grounded for 767854322234455443222287654432222234445. Group of sixes 5545655443345555. Group of sixes 776766767676767776776655. Go to your butt room instantly. Hey! You're under arrested for hacking and child abuse. What I done? You're committing child abuse and hacking on site called Omega. So goes to police car to tell what you done. This is your cell. You will staying for 10 years. Charged, child abuse, and hacking and doxing. Rawr. Do you have to repeat or extended the jail time to 11 years? God damn it.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for future uploads. Thank you.